Streamlined Backshop presents a brief demonstration of our latest install project. Today we are working with a Kato RDC-2 that's been fitted with a ZIMO model MX649 sound decoder, as well as a ZIMO 15 by 11 by 8 sugar cube speaker. For those who aren't familiar with the brand, ZIMO has been producing decoders in Europe for 25 years or more. They're a leading brand in the European market. They are imported in America by ZIMO DCC. You can see them on the web at ZIMODCC.com. Streamlined Backshop has been carrying the line for 5 or 6 years. I got started with the product line because they were one of the earlier providers of the sugar cube speaker that's now so popular here in America. And they've been known forever for superb motor control from their decoders, and if you noticed how smooth this loco ran, you can expect that with just about everything. They have a great selection of decoders. This particular model is their standard in-scale product. It measures 9mm wide, and if you're an in-scale installer, you know that means everything. It's about 25mm long and about 3 or 4mm thick. But the 9mm wide is just a fantastic measurement to work with, especially if you're doing any kind of diesel installations. This sound file is an RDC, which makes it a very unique file available to American market, because it's possibly, I can think of maybe one other brand, maybe, but it's one of the only RDC sound files available. So makes it a highly desirable file. And I'll turn it back on here so you can hear it some more, because it sounds really great. The ZIMO products feature, the 649 features 4 function outputs standard. On this particular model, you can see I've got the class lights illuminated on the front and the back, and then they're set up to be directional, and they automatically switch over to the forward headlight. Based on the direction of travel. I encourage you to visit us on the web at www.sbs4dcc.com, where you can find all of these great ZIMO products. And I encourage you to visit ZIMODCC.com, where you can find out more information about their great line of decoders and sound files, including this new RDC. Happy holidays.